بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, take out page number 13, Unit 1. Number of compound nouns. First number. Usually the last word is made plural. Example: school bag, school bags. Close up, close ups. The last word is made plural. Bags. School bag, school bags. Second number. In noun plus preposition plus noun structure. The first noun is made plural. In noun plus preposition plus noun. The first noun is made plural. Sisters. Sisters-in-law. Men of war. Men of war. Third number. Whenever man or woman is the first word, both the words are made plural. Example: man servant, men servants. Women wrestler, women wrestlers. Now, difference between possessive and plural compound nouns. Possessive nouns and pronouns demonstrate ownership or show some relationship over something. Possessive nouns or pronouns show ownership or possession, and plural nouns indicate more than one person, place or thing. Add the apostrophe plus s to the end of the compound words. For example, my mother-in-law. This is mother-in-law. This is a compound word. My mother-in-laws. When we add apostrophe, it becomes my mother-in-law's recipe. My mother-in-law's recipe for meatloaf is my husband's favorite. Now, students, change the following compound nouns into plural form. One headmaster, 5 headmasters. A mother-in-law, 2 mothers-in-law. My toothpaste, our toothpastes. A woman doctor, 4 women doctors. A doctor of philosophy, 2 doctors of philosophy. Now, students, articles. Choose the correct option for the following sentences. I want to buy a laptop next week. The correct option is option A. I want to buy a laptop next week. Number 2. Can you please go to the grocery store in 5th Street and buy 2 cartons of milk? The correct option is option C. Can you please go to the grocery store in 5th Street and buy 2 cartons of milk? Number 3. Please meet me at the train station in an hour from now. The correct option is option B, N. Number 4. I like to watch tennis on television. It is a very good game. The correct option is option A. Number 5. My brother won an award for being the best student in our school. The correct option is option C. Number 6. I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw an elephant. The correct option is option B, an elephant. Number 7. Would you like to watch a movie with me? The correct option is option A, a movie with me. Number 8. How much will it cost to go on a holiday to Gilgit? The correct option is option A. Number 9. Can you please help me pick out a birthday present for my father? The correct option is option A. Number 10. The President of the Pakistan will be visiting Australia next week. The correct option is option C. Students, do articles on page number 13 and 14. This is your homework. Do page number 13 and 14 in book. This is your homework. Students, this was today's lesson. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.